welcome to my channel. This is another video. In this video I'll be doing roast breadfruit and saltfish. Roasting breadfruit on the stove. So you know the thing go, I line up the stove with some file paper so that it doesn't stain up or mess up the stove. So what we're doing right here, roasting breadfruit indoors. So after the breadfruit is completely roasted, it should look like that. And allow it to cool off. And right here my mother is peeling off the skin. Now I've soaked my saltfish and boiled it. And I have also, cut it up and everything. Now I'm putting in some oil inside the pot to put in my tomatoes, onions, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, and also I'm going to be adding the saltfish in there as well to cook up. Alright, so I'm sure you noticed I didn't add any salt to this. It's because, saltfish, it doesn't necessarily need salt to it. So it's okay without the salt. So after I add the water, I'm just gonna stir this and allow it to simmer down a little bit and it will be ready. Thank you for watching. Remember to give my video a thumbs up and you can also leave a comment. Goodbye.